it now.
Watch your angle on the approach. Bring it left.
Clear on the left, setting it down now.
Perfect. Grab the next pallet.
At AlphaGen production, the transformation begins. Our clean bones are moved to the rendering area, becoming the foundation for premium skincare.
Keep an eye on the pressure gauge. It's fluctuating.
Turning the dial slowly. Parameters are holding steady.
Increasing the agitator speed to 500 RPM. Temperature stable at 45 Celsius.
Reaction looks optimal. Good viscosity.
The pressure gauge is rising too fast. Check valve 4.
Valve 4 open, pressure stabilizing now.
Gentle fragrance oils and skin-loving emollients blend seamlessly, creating the signature mild scent and smooth feel you expect from Dove.
Ensure the levels on VAT4 are stable before the next blend.
Already on it. The pressure is normalizing now.
Looks good. We are ready to proceed. Okay, pour the lipids now.
Adding the pearlescent base.
Flow rate looks steady.
Continuing their transformation from raw animal materials and skincare ingredients into the final luxurious product.
Texture seems consistent on this batch.
I found a slight imperfection on this one.
Humidity stabilized at 45%.
Good. Let's increase the temperature by 2 degrees and hold it there.
Review complete. Temperature and humidity are stable, and the curing time is confirmed for the premium Dove run.
This batch passes the caliper test.
Good.
Check the seal on the automated line.
Looks secure. The count matches the checklist.
From raw animal bones and fat, we transform them into the premium skincare products you see here, ready for consumers.
Bring that pallet to bay 3. Watch the turn.
Copy that. Moving now.
From our factory to your home this holiday season, delivering the care you love.
This congestion in Dallas is slowing the Dove sensitive skin shipment.
Reroute it through Memphis, confirm the ETA change.
We need to prioritize the South American lanes before the weather hits. Now we have this gentle, premium care.
It leaves your skin so soft. I love it.